Buying an ETF on XTB involves several steps. Here's a guide to help you through the process. Account setup. If you haven't already, open an account with XTB. Provide the necessary personal information, verify your identity, and fund your account. Research ETFs. Before buying an ETF, conduct research to find one that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Use XTB's platform to explore available ETFs, analyze their performance, and assess their underlying assets. Place an order. Once you've chosen an ETF to invest in, log into your XTB account and navigate to the trading platform. Search for the desired ETF by ticker symbol or name. Choose order type. Select the type of order you want to place. You can choose between market orders, limit orders, stop orders, or other order types depending on your preferences. Specify trade details. Enter the quantity of ETF shares you want to purchase and any other relevant details such as price limits or expiry dates for your order. Review and confirm. Review the details of your order to ensure accuracy. Confirm your order to execute the trade. Monitor your investment. After placing your order, monitor the performance of your ETF investment through your XTB account. Keep track of market trends, news, and other factors that may impact your investment. Review portfolio. Periodically review your investment portfolio, including your ETF holdings, to assess performance and make any necessary adjustments to your investment strategy.